Every image is a new discovery, and each will give humanity a view of the universe that we've never seen before.
This image, as we're looking at it, what we're seeing is not just all the galaxies, but there's a cluster here. And, there's so much detail here. We're seeing these galaxies in a way that we've never been able to see before.
These images are going to remind the world that America can do big things.
It is estimated that there are between 100 billion to trillion galaxies in the observable universe.
With the help of the Webb Space Telescope, in 12 days found around 10,000 galaxies by combining 800 images.
But we belong to a Milky Way galaxy. It is a spiral galaxy.
Inside of all of that is you. You live in this tiny, tiny portion of the Milky Way. But even still, our galaxy is a little runt compared with some others. NGC 6744, a spiral galaxy similar to our own, is twice as wide as the Milky Way, stretching over 200,000 light years across. It is massive. This is Earth. This is where you live. And this is where you live in your neighborhood, the solar system.
Now let's talk about the solar system and the planets.
you.